country, these are some of the things. So sometimes when you're making noise, or if you say no, I have been bleeding for the past 1 hour. Nobody is responding. Nobody is attending to you until you make members in the BBC. Yeah, that's how we feel. Ah, come on, now then. Say the area is how they are able to be. And I'm going to dear bro.
For wait a quick one. You see, when you fail to tame or train a dog, even if you are the owner, one day it will come back in at you. And Ralph the Fellow Ghanaian is in same way. Wo SMS wo hospital. Wo hospital's emergency. Wo name protocols I wo use hospital home. I say protocols I mean say steps. Just say over hospital I be triage. And nurses ni doctors no, they look at you even openly without even talking to you. Look at your condition. Then they assess that maybe yours is code red, yours is code yellow, yours is code green. So they want to treat the code red first quickly, treat the yellows, and then attend to the green. Because you feel that you are stayed there for 1 hour and nothing is being done, you go live, you break patient confidentiality, you break infection prevention measures, you start causing chaos, you start showing people's faces, you start threatening workers at the hospital because you think, say, we have the fellow Ghanaian. Now, I was thinking, say, because you feel say, we in Bibiano, we could do hospital now be attended to you, what about treating? Obia when your accident, I want panosono. I can find boys, I'm right them no. You are hitting the person's chest. Oh, don't die. When you know some kunipano. When you know moon some kunipano. Cause Sasem say ya Jiji Musu or Krumha. Move from who and a freedom fighter. Cause Sasem and I'm accident to my friend Uncle Burkina Faso. Ibrahim Traore no. And I'm accident no. My friend Uncle Burkina Faso for court retain. Who go about hospital no? Who know about hospital staff? Now I say muye. I'm not saying say system right and I say all good, but you don't go into a place and cause that kind of chaos and havoc and threaten the life of hospital staff. Say we ba omufie, we nim, we visit them one by one. All this nonsense. No? When you na Ghana police or mu share. When you na no Ghana police say there mu ye. Aha. I'll be not quite TikTok live there. Anka Banopa or more on the fee. It was for video very long, but you just take your time and watch what nonsense this guy did. Very, very appalling. I'll leave you the video.
This country, these are some of the things. So sometimes when you're making noise, or if you say no, I have been bleeding for the past 1 hour. Nobody is responding. Nobody is attending to you until you make noise and somebody come and call you and say, Brian, you go and tie the thing and nobody is attending to you. Somebody has been here for 1 hour. The person has started gasping in the hospital and nobody is saying anything. And a senior doctor comes in and says that, Master, if you people think your life is a threat, any nurse can leave, any doctor can leave. Wow. Yeah. You know, in a country where people, there are no consequence of your negligence. This is what happens. But you see, history is what has always been guiding a society. In no time, people will start reading histories. These things are happening in a lot of countries. But then, when actions and law begin to be working against even professionals that are supposed to be working for the people, you receive a salary. This is negligence that takes lives of people. You can sue the hospital for it. You can sue the nurses on duty. But they don't care because of my will be and you'll be actually. Now, if a whole doctor, the catcher say, someone should have to be a Muslim Pia, Boba, a job at Tofia Dako, fire service in the catcher and say, Moshe to be Dumijano, now you did fire service Fatama, one packet and Yanko, a Janeba say, a few fierce we are. In a Ghana, dear, in a Jatofia, fire service for Bantama. The same thing has been happening in hospitals. Every institution. We have a system failure. We have a system break. For more than 1 hour, I have been bleeding. This towel have been soaked with blood. And it's a wo in our blood and coagulated by itself. And nobody is attending to me. And you think, say, normal. For somebody or power ask them, Ojawan the Bubefu, obey the day. Does you to go inside there so that they say Dr. Son show be I also there's upon your Bianja Obia, no office and life your traitor, Obianco Jabe open, Obianco protecting home. Yate. Chairman, what you found second BCCA at Chinambrabe Juma, right? But the Mran Juma, when on my idea taxes to your Mukano and neglect your responsibilities. Chief, Chief, me kwakwa nipa no o hwe patient okay o mama na epieba. What's going on?
That one doctor they talk nonsense.
Okay, nonsense akabiti no. Why? Any me say I do we say who say ya ti robbing cases say beka to say ko. Wo de ye nkwa na de ko batacha no. Aye wa police form ko duty a. Ya bo mu kunu mutuo. Na bi ni kunu ko wa mafie. Adentia. Wosu ye wadwuma wosu ba hospital wo de nso behwe nipa ana meboa se nipa ne police ni ye de dan ni asem wo ha maintain se peace no da beba na wo de wo obi ye de da wo nhwe nipa nso obenya nkwa eboboba omo mu ye de no eye pain na wo do se mo je atume for the past 1 hour me ye de masu wo de amunya abotre wey akike duro besa no ye fie kurasi o mechechira akike duro ato so ebeko by sakwo na oda wona all gaspa no so wu a hospital ya obi beba form oni obi beko soldier don't die alone
see, this will be the first time me I got accident I come here. Unless boys jack up before they attend to me. Unless boys jack up here.
This thing we all know. Me say mumpa more active service. See, meeting police in your motor kobo ho all bleeding no you see am card. Active service officer moje tunu yan kwaje card. Now if you say your friends and robber about fear obeba nti ya wo de menya me de na ye nia na yan kan humom yan fix your mind no but ye de we ba e de mempre e na wo ye de no nye de me kwa na me ya wa me fam Aden yes sir Aden oh dear oh my entra o sir man on my way on Charlie. I'm me fanning call. Go fanning shame na yam fanning call hospital wo from. Senior. Charlie, I do a big man. Some guy come cross me way and hit me plus motorbike way the motor brake the brake and cut my hand. Where we can't hear, we can't sit there for past 1 hour. Nobody is attending until you make noise. They go call some nurse. They hold you staff. As you can, they shake me, they use your hand, they shake me. On what and about also Mukrano. Yeah, we know, but why are you not putting on gloves? Why are you not doing what you're supposed to do? Just dress it. Somebody have been sitting there. Look, listen to that. Nipane Fimo Jau. Charlie, anyway. End the video.
Yes, my own voice.
Start doing something. Somebody needs to start doing something. So who is in charge, bro? No, I mean this is not needed. This is not needed. Let's just do the right thing. Somebody should just be inactive. Somebody should call somebody. Somebody should come and attend to somebody. That's it. That is all we are asking for. There should be any sense of agency, please. Mate. No, but you see, in as much as anyway, into right? Obi so banebesha so ka say untimi mo obi pressure na higher gun. It hurts. You understand? What do you mean by higher gun? There's a Ghana there, or be to me with and nothing happens. I came here, media way your minor. Yes, in Kofu pre-emergency, let's attend to them. Or the whole coach guy, no point apple. So I want to do the said then you name which was a higher Ghana. What do you mean to higher Ghana? Da, sadly, a be obia be when you are when Onipa da hosa, also be sabia, but professionally you try to calm them down and you go and attend to the person. Martin, let me calm down. Calm down. They're going to work on it. Calm down. Oh dear, you see, somebody should be around him. I don't know. So what I say, they understood. Charlie, Ridge Hospital. This is happening in Ridge Hospital. I don't know. See, you see, who is supposed to be acting? Man. They don't care. Nothing is going to happen because at the end of the day, Obeko you can acquire health and your friends saying home care.
You guys should try to stabilize it.
Okay, I'm China the best in see. Bro. Yeah, but I mean something needs to be done, bro. Yeah, I'm listening. But
some issue like this, the doctors to the human beings. If you put pressure on them, like if they shout for
then go do something and make mistakes. Exactly. So fine. So as we they go out, there's somebody also. Everybody left. They were all outside until they came back check him again, and nobody is on the person. Just because they said they are not finding his card. What do you mean you are not finding? So because of the card, you're not going to attend to the person. Attend to them. After everything, the card, whether the card it can be done again. The card, it can be done again. Exactly.
So don't worry, just organize your people.
No, they're not being organized because he needs drinks. No.
And right now the doctors will come back there.
What's happening? Is he okay? Charlie? Charlie? Yo. So nobody is doing anything. Like everybody is watching. Charlie? Then when we finish this, we talk about we are going to set up a prophecy and interpretation ministry where people are dying like animals. Charlie, okay, let me, this is what really matters. So, let me get all the nurses on board. If we need to move him to a different hospital, let's do it. Yeah. That's the most important thing. Let's move him to a different hospital. They don't know that Yame could just move on to a different hospital. That's it. Where is Tash? Obi, check. Wabet, you pay about more than 30 minutes. So, Nipa to Obi Nasu or to Obi Nasu hospital. Are we human beings at all? Are we human beings? Okay, but you see, in no time, me don't yanko. So Obi bury me. No, about hospital. Now there's any journal BBC. Yeah, that's how we feel. Ah, come on, now then. Say the area is how the area be able to be. And I'm going to move you, dear bro. Hold it. Charge. Hold this. Why won't you sketch this thing? Oh there, me say, omo duty niya. Look at this. Where in the world that human beings life are being respected in a way you see? Where in the world? Yeah, dog. Yeah, we just want to prepare him and get him off to a different hospital where human beings like. There is a person in there at the emergency ward.
What's wrong with him?
He had an accident. We brought him myself. I have been here for almost an hour. I keep bleeding. I keep bleeding. Nobody is even attending to me. I keep bleeding.
Out. Thank you. Who does that?
Charlie, all the guys should come. Everybody should step out. Let's step out. Let's step out. Yeah? Let's just step out. Everybody should step out. Everybody should step out. Charlie, guys, all of you should come out. All of you should come. 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 All of you should step out.
Hey, go out. The doctors will remain here.
Everybody out. There is a doctor in. A doctor is coming. Everybody should go out.
Everybody out.
All of us, let's respect this. Let's go out. Okay? There is a doctor in that is willing. No problem. Bro, let's step out. Yeah? Let's step out. Let's step out. Let's step out. All of us, let's step out. Guys, let's step out. Let's step out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Chief, we are getting everybody out. Respectfully. Everybody out. Bro, let's do it. Let's do it. Madam, boss, me respect. No problem, sorry. No, but stop this, please. No. Stop the video. What do you mean stop the video? Oh, but me buy now. Oh, yeah, the papa. Missy Bessie, OBMP na. Yes, sir. I'm trying to sack everybody out so that the doctors will come and attend to them. No problem. Hi, mom. I'm very fine. I'm okay.
I show you my mom. I told you that.
Oh, that's the one sitting there. Somebody would attend to. Yeah, only the mommy we have Bahanum Hospital at the Obina so for the past there 1 hour. What is this? What is this? It's a mini pound doctor. What did he? So be two you have from your police call. Now you're gonna call your mum. By next, you know, also say, I'll be attacking or be from who you are ban or be shown who Sabua. What is happening? You really like I said, I mean, I mean, since you are so many OBAP. There are people here. We don't know him.
Please, I'm at the reach right away. Please.
This man can even be here anyhow. Can all this thing
Please. Don't worry, it's okay, madam.
Yes, sir.
Sanitizer being used.
Oh, dear, me insanity, the other shame. No, dear, or
Lives are threatened. Leave the place. We cannot be threatened by now.
Exactly. Normal. Obi officer the life you are threatened. Be on pienko. Bosume swa. Ye beti obiaka. Oji da sika now life you are threatened now dia. Ye ni eba tina komuya. Say if we can professionally, there is no way in the world. See, we are coming down. We are trying. No, I'm coming. See, I am doing. Dog, calm down. Yeah, bro. I am coming. Relax. What I'm saying is, dog, are you listening? I am down. Are you listening? Bro, man. Yeah.
You come.
Come on. So if you feel that your life is a threat, don't wanna play. Wow, bodam papa. Hey. And I'm moving saying, what me cry? Say, what do you me say? Obi be too akura we mu baby. Doctor bia nurse ni bia. Ya be ba besra wo fie. And I'm moving say agro. What there? Ya mudi no me di agro okrom ya no. Obi eni wo metu. Obi eni mo ha. Ye be hu obi eni. Me say, wo police ni. Obi tutu wo ha ya be frɛ wo. Right? But you obi ma me be da. Almost 1 hour. What are you pronounce? Ya bodam.
Look at
Come on. Boss. Mom question the panel.